When rescue crews found her, they say she was weak and had low blood pressure. She was flown off.
Bless you.
Now, according to most of the recent polls, Senator Cruz is at the back of the pack on the Republican side. One poll has him at 5% support in the Republican field. Announcing first could be his strategy to try to get a head start, get some momentum, and some extra attention.
Giving birth to a campaign.
That is exactly right. That's a very interesting segue.
I'm trying, I'm working here.
No, that's very clever. From what Troy and I have witnessed, childbirth is not easy. Our wives are rock stars, and anything that would make it easier and more comfortable and more bearable, that would be great.
Valley Hospital is using something that's giving women in labor a more comfortable experience. And you're saying, well, what is it? Some new drug or some high-tech medical device? No, it's a rubber ball of all things.
That's simple, but that effective. Christy Siefkin here tonight to show us how it all works. Christy.
Good evening, guys. Yeah, it's a rubber ball that's shaped like a peanut. In fact, they call it the peanut ball. And it's nurse researchers at Banner University Hospital in Phoenix who are the ones that figured out that that kind of ball could actually help women as they were going through labor. They found the ball not only helped women with epidurals deliver faster, but also reduced the chance that they'd need a C-section. You might expect to find this red exercise ball in a gym, but instead, you'll find it in a delivery room. The nurses at Banner University Medical Center recently led a study showing how this ball can help moms who deliver with epidurals.
So we wanted to address what can we do that would be non-invasive, that would be a simple intervention that could help our moms progress.
The answer was this peanut-shaped ball placed between mom's legs. Since patients with epidurals can't get up and walk around, the ball allows them to change positions from their bed. Annie Rossman used the ball while delivering her last 2 kids.
It was comfortable. I would lay on either side or sit up. Just different positions. The idea was just to open my pelvis and allow the baby to come down.
Rossman's last labor was just 5 hours. Not a surprise to Tussie, whose study showed the peanut ball reduces labor time.
We found that we were able to take at least 2 hours off the time of labor and then shorten the time of pushing.
Tussie says the patients who used the ball in her study were also half as likely to need a C-section as those who didn't. Rossman says she's a fan of the funny-shaped ball and would absolutely use it again.
After using it, I told my sister-in-law, there's no reason not to use it.
And something that's perhaps obvious about this treatment or about this option is that it's very low cost, and the balls are now available at any of the Banner facilities. So if you have a baby on the way, something to consider. Reporting live, I'm Christy Siefkin, Fox 10 News.
Thank you, Christy. That was interesting stuff. The newest lottery winners in Arizona, they're pretty pumped. They tell us about the moment when they realized that they had a lot of cash coming their way.
And this used to be the home of the Church of Scientology in Phoenix. It came tumbling down today. What's expected to go up in its place?
Surprise PD says the thieves